Everyone, very good morning. Let's go to see our lesson for today. Today we are going to see our new topic, that is ways to prevent rusting. For that, you refer your textbook page 170. Okay, Object made of iron that are left exposed to water and air for some time will undergo rusting process. Rusting can be prevented in several ways. The picture below shows several ways to prevent rusting. Okay, you also can scan this QR code to see how to prevent rusting. So our first way is applying oil or grease. Oil or grease is applied to the surface of object made of iron, like the cycle chain. Okay, you can apply you can apply oil or grease in the cycle chain to prevent rusting. Okay. Second one, coating a layer of rust-proof material. Coating with a layer of rust-proof materials such as plastic are coated onto the surface of object made of iron, like this hanger. The hanger is coating with a layer of plastic. Okay, then number 3 is plating. Plating with a layer of rust-proof metal. Rust-proof metals such as tin and aluminium are plated onto the surface of object made of iron. So this one not rusting, because the tin are already plating. Okay, number 4, painting. Painting means paint is applied on the surface of the object made of iron, like this one, fence. Okay, so you can paint into the rusting object to prevent the iron from rusting. Okay, let's go to see our second topic, the importance of preventing rusting. Why we must prevent rusting? So look at the situation 1. Rusting of object made of iron brings many disadvantages. Okay, observe the situations below. Situation 1. Mother, this sardine this sardine can is dented. Let's look for a sardine can that is not dented. The dented part of the can may have rusted. Food that are exposed to rust are unsafe to be eaten. So, what's the meaning of this situation? Okay, if the objects are rusting, that means that things are unsafe. Okay, look at the second one. This fence is rusty. Do we need to repaint it? Yes, this fence will look much better. It will last longer after being painted. So, waste of money. So, you must prevent the rusting. Situation 3. The handrail of this staircase is brittle. It is not safe to be used. It seems that the staircase has also rusted. Be careful when climbing it. So, we have this one, safety. Okay. Number 4, what are you doing? I am looking at this axe. This axe is rusty. I think I need to buy a new axe. That means waste of money. Okay, so look at the reflection. Conclusion for all the topic about the rusting. Okay, how you know the iron is rusting or not? The characteristic of rusty object are reddish brown color, rough surface and brittle. Second one, objects made of iron will rust. 3. The presence of water and air cause rusting of object made of iron. Okay, this one you do the experiment ready. So, the presence of water and air cause the rusting. Number 4, ways to prevent rusting on object made of iron are: the first one, applying the objects with oil or grease. Second one, coating. Number 4, plating. Number 3 is plating. Number 4, painting. Number 1, apply with oil. Number 2, coating. Number 3, plating. Number 4, painting. So why you have to prevent rusting? Because okay, this one is the importance of preventing rusting of object made of iron. Okay, the first one, safe to be used, durable and not easily damaged, safe on maintenance costs, and look pleasant. Okay, so this one all, hope you understand. Let's go to see our exercise for today. Okay, today you have to do this project. You can refer your textbook. Okay, you have to produce a rust remover solution using a glass container, spray bottle, wire brush, 100 milliliter of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of soda bicarbonate, and water. Okay, just follow one by one. Number 1, pour 100 milliliter of vinegar into the glass container. Okay, pour vinegar. Second one, add 3 tablespoons of salt into the glass. Number 3, add 3 tablespoons of soda bicarbonate into the glass container. You can ask your mother what is soda bicarbonate. Okay, number 4, stir the mixture of vinegar, salt and soda bicarbonate. Number 5, pour the rust remover solution into the spray bottle. Then number 6, spray the solution on a rusty object. That means you must find out one rusty object. Then spray the solution on the rusty object. Please take photo when you do this experiment. Number 7, leave the object for 5 minutes only. Then clean it with the wire brush. Okay, you must take photo the rusty object first. Second one, you must leave 5 minutes. Then clean the object after 5 minutes with the wire brush. Then rinse the object with clean water. Okay, so you must show to teacher the iron object, the rusty object before and after. That means before the object, you can see the object rusty. Then after you use the solution, you can see the object clean. So I want the 2 picture only. Okay. Then your second exercise is do it lembaran 52, lembaran 53, lembaran 54 and lembaran 55. So this one is the checklist. You must send to me the project of rust remover solution and lembaran 52 to 55. After finish, send all the exercise and experiment in the Telegram group. Okay, for lembaran 52 to 55, you must send by today. And project rust remover solution, take photo and send to me as soon as possible before Sunday. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you next week with another new topic. Bye.